In this video, I'm showing you my birds' first day outside and in their new brooder while I tell you 5 new things that I learned about birds. Here's my pet bag. We put the chicks outside inside of this dog playpen. They have all of this space, but they are staying over here clustered in this corner. My understanding is that chicks are social animals and feel more comfortable in groups. It looks like my dog and a chick are sniffing each other. I am an artist. Different things in my life inspire me to create. I will put my new chicken themed products on my website. A link is in the description of this video. I purchased a Marin, 2 Plymouth Rock chickens, and a couple of mixed breed chicks. This is their old brooder, and here is the new one. I am learning new things about birds that I did not know before. I discovered that birds are low maintenance animals in comparison to my dog that goes to the vet every month and has grooming appointments often. A bird can establish a friendly relationship with a member of their household. Before owning birds, I thought that they would not pay us much attention, but I can tell that they really adore my son. He is also the one that asked me to buy them. I'm proud of him because he has been very responsible with them. Birds like dust baths. This bird behavior is new to me, and I've seen my own birds do it. This is their heater, perch, water, and food. Birds have different temperaments. Different breeds can be well known for being flighty, dominant, friendly, loud, or adventurous. I am done setting up their new brooder. My chicks are safe and comfortable. You can see that they are on their way to sleep now. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch as many times as you want, and subscribe to Key Out the Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video.